The future continuous tense is used to describe an ongoing action or event that will happen in the future. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb will or shall followed by the base form of the main verb and adding ing to the end of the verb. Here is the structure of the future continuous tense. Subject plus will slash shall plus be plus verb ing. Now let's look at some examples to better understand how to use the future continuous tense. I will be studying for my exam tomorrow. In this sentence, the subject is I, and the verb is studying. We use the future continuous tense will be studying to indicate that the action of studying will be ongoing in the future. They will be traveling to Europe next month. Here, the subject is they, and the verb is traveling. By using the future continuous tense will be traveling, we show that their journey will be in progress at a specific time in the future. She will be working late tonight. In this example, the subject is she, and the verb is working. The future continuous tense will be working implies that she will be engaged in the action of working late in the future. We shall be celebrating our anniversary next week. Here, the subject is we, and the verb is celebrating. By using the future continuous tense shall be celebrating, we indicate that the celebration will be ongoing in the future. He will be waiting for you at the airport. In this sentence, the subject is he, and the verb is waiting. The future continuous tense will be waiting suggests that he will be engaged in the action of waiting for you in the future. It's important to note that the future continuous tense is often used to express an action that will be happening at a specific point in time in the future. It can also be used to make polite inquiries or to express assumptions about the future. I hope this tutorial helps you understand and use the future continuous tense effectively. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel English Grammar for You.